that price tag made this idea happen. It started as a rough draft, just using what I had lying around to get a 360 seat on my kayak. Let's make that idea a reality. Get the measurements from your kayak. I'm using strut channel as my foundation. Mark where you need to cut. It's always nice to have a little helper. Filed off all the sharp edges. I'm using these M6 speed nuts to secure the strut on the kayak. If you don't have the hardware, you can buy the track bolts from Amazon. I'm using an M6 bolt to secure the strut to the kayak. Use a washer that's almost as big as the strut to get maximum strength. Adjust it as needed for the seat base. This seat base comes with a 360 swivel plate. To install the new seat, first unscrew all the screws. Attached the swivel plate and screwed it in. Now, bolt the seat onto the base. Last steps. Bolt the base onto the strut. I hope you enjoy this DIY as much as I enjoyed making it. Be safe out there and tight line.